In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Facebook business page address or URL. If you need to share your Facebook business page with customers, team members, or add it to a website or directory, having the exact page URL is important. The good news is that Facebook makes this very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I will show you how to switch into your business page and copy the correct web address directly from your browser. To begin, go to Facebook and log into your account. Make sure you are signed into the account that has access to the business page you want to use. Once you are logged in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. A menu will open, and from there, select See All Profiles. This is the area where Facebook lets you switch between your personal profile and any pages you manage. Find your business page in the list. Then click it to switch over. Give it a moment to load so Facebook can fully move you into that page view. After the switch, click on your page name or your profile icon again if needed. Just to make sure you are looking at the actual page feed and not a general account management view. This part matters because you want the direct link to the public-facing business page, not a settings page or dashboard link. Once you can clearly see the page feed, posts, and page details, you are in the right place. Now move to the address bar at the top of your web browser. Click inside the address bar so the full web link becomes highlighted. This link is your business page URL. It's the unique address people can use to visit your page directly. Next, right-click on the highlighted link and select Copy. That will save the URL so you can paste it anywhere you need, such as an email, document, social media profile, or website. If you prefer, you can also use your keyboard shortcut to copy after the link is highlighted. One quick tip is to double-check that the link looks clean and leads to the main page, especially if you plan to share it publicly. If you copied it while viewing the correct page feed, it should work perfectly. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.